So this is the first time I've talked to the vlog today. I've been doing a lot of things at uni. I've literally been uni 9 till 5 today, pretty much straight. We've had labs followed by lectures and like discussing our results and stuff. So just thought I'd talk to you a little bit about that. But first, I want to say, what the hell, my vlog channel has hit over 500,000 views. What the hell? Like, I've literally only had this channel for a year and a half and I've hit 500,000 views. I cannot believe that. That is so many people watching my videos. So thank you very much if you've ever hit any of my videos and liked them or just even watched a few minutes of one, because I literally cannot believe like how many views this channel has got in comparison to my main channel. It's just mad, and it's just so weird to see that number. Like, I haven't checked my stats in ages because I've been so busy with uni, and obviously like it's not my priority like checking how many people are looking at stuff, but it is interesting to see like where like the demographics of like your audience and stuff. Like if you also make videos like me or have a blog or something, it's always really like just interesting. Like, I'm not doing this for the wrong reasons obviously, but it is just interesting is what I'm trying to say, like looking at where people are based or how long people watch your videos for, like how quickly they click off your videos. Like you get to learn out so much from like Google Analytics and like YouTube stats and stuff like that. So I've just had a look and like I was so shocked to see that I've hit over 500,000 views, so thank you. Anyway, yeah, basically it is now almost 6 o'clock because I've been at uni 9 till 5, and obviously I couldn't vlog in uni because I would have got told off. But basically I had a 9 till about 1 o'clock practical, and we did handwriting comparisons. So we were like doing lots of document examinations because that's what we were working on in my advanced CSI module. So we do lots of different stuff in the advanced CSI module. Like I might have mentioned before, we've done blood spatter analysis, crime scene management, other things like sexual offences, bodies at scenes, like quite graphic things. And then today we were focusing on documentation, and a guest lecturer came in yesterday to like prepare us for what was gonna happen today. Did a few lectures yesterday. We had like 3 hours of lectures yesterday, and then we had 9 to 1 labs with her. Then we had like a lunch break, and then we had 2 more hours discussing our results. So there were basically 4 different activities in the labs, and we had like an hour to do each. So for the first hour I was with Neve, and like we were in like quite big groups. First of all, we did like disguise and forgery, them 2 sort of like little mini practicals. So we did like trying to disguise our own handwriting. It was honestly making me so conscious of like the way I was writing, like the different shapes of my letters, how my like words slant, and where I like the direction of my letters. It's just really weird like when you're being taught something like that, how conscious you become of it. So yeah, forgery and disguise. So we had to try and like change our handwriting to disguise like our usual handwriting, but we realised that afterwards, like even though I was trying my hardest to like completely change my handwriting, I didn't do great because still the formation of letters is still the same. Like the amount of lines I do to draw an E or something like that, they still like end up matching up because it's really hard to like override your brain. And then forgery, we basically wrote our name and signatures down and then like swapped them within like big groups. So I had to like try and copy someone else's to try and forge it, which sounds so weird because they're obviously not teaching us to forge stuff, but it was just like sort of proving how hard it is to forge a signature when you're so used to writing a certain way. And then we worked with the ESDAs, which is an electrostatic machine, and it's basically to help identify indented impressions. So whether you've written a letter and then like ripped it out of a notebook, then that page has gone missing, like you can still read. Apparently they've done like lots of studies and stuff, like sometimes you can read up to 8 pages beneath it. So even if like a page has been ripped out, you can get one of those pages from underneath the ripped page, and you put it on an ESDA. The electrostatic charge ended up basically showing the indented impression from the page on top. So we were doing that, which was interesting, and like playing about with different things that could affect like how visible the impressions come up with the toner beads. So I I was working on pressures mainly, like I did pressures. I know Neve was doing different types of implements, so she was using like a ballpoint pen, then she used a different type of pen, I can't remember what, and then she used her pencil, and she also worked on like sharpness of the pencil and whether it being sharp or blunt like affected how visible the impressions were on the Esda. We also did our handprints just out of curiosity to see if the Esda could pick up fingerprints, which it could, and mine were very, very visible because my hands were very like warm and clammy. And then the final one was handwriting comparisons. So basically we were given this like question document. It was basically like a threatening letter, and then we got given two specimens, and we had to, like, it was such a tedious process, but we had to copy out the letters, like sketch out the letters from the like question document and then the specimens document, and then compare and like tick and cross which letters coincided, and it was just a bit tedious. It was not my favourite task of the 4, but yeah, that took the longest. And then we discussed all the results at the end, and the woman went through some of her case studies and things that she's worked on, which was quite interesting. Some of them were actually quite brutal, considering it's like to do with documents and stuff. Most of them were like fraud and like forging like signatures for wills and things like that, and there were a couple of graphic ones in there which were quite bad. But yeah, that's what I've been doing today. Now I'm back home. Decided to get into bed and like just have a chill out for a bit before I carry on with some work. I'm going to be writing out my script for my video interview that I have to film for my course. It's actually due on Friday, so if you haven't been watching the vlogs before, I've actually tried to film this a couple of times, but I hated the way it looks. So I'm definitely filming it on Thursday and getting it uploaded to the system then. I'm writing out a script for it, or like bullet points, just so that they're there in front of me in case I need them to like refer to. Then I need to wrap presents up because tomorrow's our little house Christmas, so me, Megan and Hattie are going to be like gift exchanging, making Christmas dinner, playing Christmas games. And then I also tonight need to practice and prepare for my singing and acting audition tomorrow, which means I have to learn a little script and 2 verses of a song, which is something that my brain might not be able to take after a really long day, and especially when my voice is hurting. I'm trying my hardest to look after my voice. I haven't been speaking as much as I usually do today, but I will catch up with you when I'm doing something a little bit more interesting than work. So I've just literally finished wrapping up all of the girls' presents, and I've written their cards as well. It's got Hat and Megan's cards there. Got lots of little prezzies and stuff. I'm really excited about it. I really love this paper and all the little bows, but yeah, I'm just about to take these down and put them under the tree. So what you doing, Hat?
I'm just setting up the game.
We're playing Seen It, which is over here. Playing some more games because it's almost Christmas. The tree looks so sick. We've got all of our presents down here. There's actually quite a knock between all of us down here. There's some all the way over there as well. And we've got the cards on the tree. Cute.
Shut it! Shut up, Mum!
Wait, what is there? Is that popcorn?
Yeah.
I want to be... Actually, no. I want to be this.
Okay. The video cord looks cooler.
Yeah, I was going to say that. But yeah, what we were saying before... Well, we've recorded this on my phone, but my phone's audio is messed up. Thank you very much. Never. I have the Harry Potter one, so I've tried that, and it's really good, but I don't know how different it is to this, and I haven't played it in absolute years. And we wanted...
Not confusing, like complex.
Yeah, it is. It actually has the same layout as the Harry Potter one. I think we need to plug in the PS4 as well, or whatever it is, because it's actually on DVD, which is fab. I think I am definitely not going to win because I am so uncultured in films. Just depends what films come up, to be honest, but we'll give it a go. And we really wanted the Disney one, but Hat and Meg got mugged off when they went to go get it from a charity shop. Literally, they literally went to the charity shop because we knew we wanted it, and they were just about to buy it.
All charity shop.
And then the guy literally picked it up as they went in, like pretty much.
I've got that 10 seconds early would have it. Like he was standing there holding it, and we were like, I waited to put it down, and he did it.
Yeah. We'll get it at some point though, 100%.
Yeah. I mean, I'm guessing it'll be really cheap just to buy it.
Yeah, true.
Amazon.
And we're saying we've got like a lot of Disney games, so we need to not be so sour.
Yeah, we've got enough Disney games.
Aww. Wait, I just realised my little studio light's become part of the living room.
Oh yeah, didn't notice it.
Yeah, neither did I until I saw it poking out your head on the camera. Oh, it's so Christmassy.
The Christmas tree for tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Because they've gone.
No, I don't have any. I looked in my room because my fairy lights are fucking dim ass. Yeah. That should be something we add. We're gonna make a list, aren't we?
What, for our parents?
Yeah, we were gonna make a list, like me and Meg were saying, like to take home. So like batteries, ketchup, washing machine tablets, like just loads of shit that we could all
I'm a gamer.
get up. Oh, you're a gamer.
We only use this for DVDs, and I couldn't work the controller the first time.
True.
What were we trying to watch? It was something funny. Oh, I think was it High School Musical?
Yeah.
The first time we did it, I was like trying to work out just to watch High School Musical. If my brother was here, he'd kill me.
Wait, we just finished seeing it. Hat cheated, so she ended up winning. No, she didn't. She won. We were all close at the end, but Hat just.
All on the same level.
Yeah, but Hat came through on top, so I'm congratulating her with first class honours. And now we're playing Listography, which is my favourite game in the whole entire world. Aiden got me for Christmas one year, and it was the best thing that I've ever played. So I'm just about to play that now. And I'm going to have about 16 rounds, so I'm really excited. This is what it looks like. If you are into list making or anything like that, you should definitely get it because it's so satisfying and it's also really fun. And I'm hoping these guys like it as much as I do so we can play it all the time.